went to jail, boys. Not really. I didn't actually go to jail. I went to the jail though. Had to get my fingerprints done. Get that concealed pistol license, boy. Get life together. Stop being a fucking child, you know? Grow up a little bit. Have legal protection. You know? It's important to be legal. All my guns are legal. And now I can legally carry them. You know? It's a big factor right there. We out here. Out at the OCJ. The 1201, baby. The 1200. 56th District Court. Fuck. I honestly hate being over here, to be real, but you know, when you're a law-abiding citizen, it's all good, dude. There ain't nothing to worry about. You know? I've calmed down a lot. I wouldn't say that I follow traffic laws, but I'm definitely not a piece of shit like I used to be. That's for sure. As much of a piece of shit. I used to have no care for my life or anybody's life or anything going on. It's kind of just an ungrateful fucking douchebag, you know? My shit don't stink type beat. Do whatever the fuck I want, fuck the rules. I mean, honestly, I'm still the same way. Don't get me wrong. Deep down in the core, fuck the rules. I definitely do what I want, but there's certain things like, I ain't trying to get a fucking felony because I'm carrying my fucking pistol or riding my bike, you know? But I also want to have my gun while I'm riding my fucking bike or in the car, just in case. Just in case. The world's a fucking cesspool of shit now, especially the US. Like, I don't know, it just progressively just gets worse and worse every day, in my opinion. So I feel like it's like the smartest step to preserving myself and my family's safety. But yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully you all enjoy my commentary, my bullshit. We out here having a good day, baby. It's beautiful. It's not even 9:30 in the morning yet. This is behind. Actually, yeah, this is behind. This is behind by, I think, 15 minutes, which is crazy because I said it last year in September because it was behind by like 5 minutes. The drift is insane on this thing. I don't understand what causes the drift on the time, but the time drift is obnoxious. I still, you know, I've been saying this for like 2 years now. I want to look into putting the 1100 speedometer, tachometer, all that stuff on here. Maybe I'll do some research tonight and figure out if it's possible, or today, I guess. We got a long day ahead of us. I've been working on this stupid Teams issue though for like a month and a half now, and yeah, I gotta get back on to working on it. Basically, Microsoft is just not releasing the fucking fixes. Like, they're like, oh, it should work, and then I download all the patches that they're like, try these. It doesn't fix it. It just doesn't fix it. And the guy that I'm working with has no fucking clue what he's talking about. Like, I've brought him 90% of the things that we've done to fix it. This was like the one thing that he was like, hey, there was an update that was released that I missed. It came out 3 days after I had already updated the software. So I was like, oh shit, that's my bad. I wasn't paying any attention. I didn't see that happen. So a goof on my fault, or on my part, but like, I don't know, they just keep sending me support articles that I've already looked at and provided them and been like, this isn't working, can you give me something? They won't escalate it to another engineer. I'm at a fucking loss. I understand now how the customers that work with us feel when I'm like, well, like, I'm all you got, bro. You only get to work with me. There's nobody else. I'm sorry, I'm not escalating it. I literally can't. There's me and one other fucking dude. I am the highest level of Citrix support that you get at my company, which is cool. I feel important. I don't make the money for it. They definitely, they know how that shit goes. They're like, oh, hire internally? We don't have to pay you as much? Bet.
everything.
Why do I do these things? I don't like that. Why do I have these dreams? They all fight back. Why do I do these things? I don't like that. Why do I have these dreams? They all fight back. Lost and alone in this nightmare. She asks how I do it, I don't fight fair. She asks why I do it, cause I like her. She asks if I'm saying, girl, I'm right here, right here. All the smoke in my lungs, I stay facing. Got these thoughts in my head, steady racing. Pretty girl in my bed, I can't replace when. Did I get this way? Did I get this way? I wish she was here to stay. I wish she would love me that way. I wish it was easy to say how I felt about you. Wish she was here to stay. I wish she would love me that way. I wish it was easy to say how I felt about you. Why do I do these things? I don't like that. Why do I have these dreams? They all fight back. Why do I do these things? I don't like that. Why do I have these dreams? They all fight back. Fight back, fight back. Yeah, they always fight back. And baby, I don't like that. Keep texting, I don't write back. She says I'm done with you, but she keeps coming right back. Yeah, she keeps coming right back. Guess we're addicted, so toxic and cryptic with the words that we say. Baby girl, go away, cause I'm done with you and the shit we go through. What else can I do but say I love you? Cause it don't even matter, you won't listen to me. Only care about yourself and that's so easy to see. Am I talking in third person? Maybe I don't even know. I don't got time to explain, sorry, I just gotta go. Baby, I just gotta go. I need time to grow.
She hit my phone like,
Hey boo, got this new game, wanna play too?
I said yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Knowing very well I was gonna get in it. That's the prize, one session. I swear, pussy my obsession. And she a freak, a dog in heat. And I'ma eat cause I use cheese. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. We in my ride, bitch push to start. Yeah, I'm playing games, but not with her heart. Can't fool this girl, cause she's too smart. Leave me on, but bitch, I'll play my part. She a goddess, that body poppin', my jaw droppin'. Take her shopping, buy her whatever she need. I ain't tricking, cause pussy guaranteed. Give me head while I roll up my weed. Baby, I'm sorry, I know this isn't fair. Baby, I'm sorry, you know that I don't care. Baby, I'm sorry, I can't always be there. Baby, I'm sorry, I told you to beware. She hit my phone like,
Hey boo, got this new game, wanna play too?
I said yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Knowing very well I was gonna get in it. That's the prize, one session. I swear, pussy my obsession. And she a freak, a dog in heat. And I'ma eat cause I use cheese. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. It go up, down, left, right, B, A start. And I'm pushing on her heart. Shawty wanna fuck, titties bouncing up and down. Baby got stamina, we going round for round. And we smoking blunts, bitch, blowing by the pound. Always upset when I'm going out of town. Told her I'll be back in a minute, hold it down. She hit me with the nudies and I had to turn around. Told me she missed me, damn, I love that sound. Better not be lying, ho, you know that it's bounds for instant termination. We can't have no relations, I swear these bitches be saying shit just to be saying it. Think it's a game, but bitch, I ain't the same as these other dudes. You know I'm rude, not in the mood.